understanding canine functional characters is a way for us in our compartmentalized brain to have an understanding of who they are, which can then support them. But they're like that's a human thing. Like we don't for them it's yet another label. And I feel this is such an important area for me to talk about, is that we also have to be careful with confirmation biases and also another label, because what I've started to see happen in certain spaces is someone then their dog then gets defined. Oh, because my dog is a defender, da 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 da. It's because my dog is a defender, da 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 da. It's because my dog is because, and I'm like, and there we go again. We've gone from this to this, which isn't wrong. It's the many stepping stones that we go on so that we can come to this. But I know again for the dogs, their message also was like, and again, can we be seeing us in our totality rather than, oh, I'm now limiting my dog to this. You're this, you're this, you're this.